Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making steak and potato skillets. Okay, I'm starting out here on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and I have 4 big russet potatoes that I washed and I cut up into chunks. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray this with some olive oil. And I'm just going to put a nice coating. If you don't have an olive oil sprayer like this, just put them in a Ziploc bag and dump a little olive oil in and toss them around. Now I'm going to season this with some salt and pepper. And I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So my potatoes are golden brown and they're tender. Alright, while my potatoes are roasting in the oven, in a cast iron skillet I have preheating, I'm going to add some olive oil. And I have 2 top sirloin steaks here. I'm going to fry these one at a time, and we like our steaks medium well. So I'm going to fry them for 6 or 8 minutes per side. That should get them a nice medium well. Okay, now that my steaks are done, and I have them tended in foil set aside to rest, I turn my pan down on low because you can see how hot it is. I have a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper. We're going to add that in that olive oil. And I have 1 large onion I sliced up. We're going to add that in. And I seasoned my steaks with some salt and pepper, I forgot to tell you. And I'm going to season this with a little salt and pepper. And I'm going to fry these vegetables till they're tender. Alright, now that my onions and peppers are softened up, my potatoes just came out of the oven. It took about 20 minutes. You can see they're golden brown and they're nice and tender. I'm going to dump them right in with the peppers. That's if I don't lose my parchment paper. Sticking my parchment paper a little bit, but we'll get them off of there. Now I'm going to mix my potatoes in with my peppers and onions. I'm going to turn this off. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and sliced my steak and put over top of the potatoes and onions. I put some beef gravy over that and a little bit of parsley. Let's get in here and try this. Yes, Dexter, we're having steak. Potatoes are nice and tender, well seasoned. That beef gravy is delicious. Peppers are good. You can see my steak is cooked to about a medium well. Steak is tender. That's really delicious, guys, and it really wasn't that hard at all. Alright, there you have it, steak and potato skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.